It's enrollment season ulit, Seaside Bulldogs. Welcome to Opto Vlogs, where I share my journey as an optometry student. Samahan mo ako to take my final exams on Biolab. Since enrollment season na ulit, so we have a question here galing kay M, and she is a freshie and wants to know more about Opto sa NU. Honestly, optometry can be way harder and a longer path compare mo sa mga bachelor's degree na 4 years. Since buong doctor degree yung tinetake natin like vetmed and dentistry. Expect natin sa opto na syempre di siya basic sciences lang, and kung takas ka lang sa math, alam natin na may math pa rin ang opto and may physics na konti. And lalo na sa opto since kumukuha tayo ng grado ng mata, pati yung mga theoretical part for the physics. For NUMOA, one thing people don't talk about enough is the trimester pacing tulad din ng LaSalle or other schools. Coming from a college before na dalawa lang ang semesters, mas na-experience ko sa TriSem a super bilis na discussions. So kapag napag-iwanan ka kahit 1 week ka lang na hindi pumasok, maramdaman mo talaga siya. So based on my personal experiences, professors can be a hit or a miss depending on the term, and minsan kailangan mo talaga mag-self-study. Hindi pala minsan, lagi kailangan mo mag-self-study to fully understand the topics. For me naman, when it comes to activity, quizzes, or exams, okay naman siya, hindi siya ganun kahirap and hindi ganun kadali. Pero mas nadadalian ako sa NU compare sa previous school ko dati. Sa state ko kasi siya, pinahirapan talaga yung mga students doon. So kahit ano naman, basta masipag ka, mapapasa mo ang college. But at the same time, compare mo rin sa previous school ko na State U, maganda naman yung facilities and updated yung mga equipment since new pa yung program and campus ni NUMOA. Ang problem lang natin sa NUMOA syempre is the elevator. Pagpasok natin, lahat tayo sasakay ng elevator since walang stairs na pataas. So, hassle siya for students. At the same time, expect mo na may ibang rooms na sira ang AC sa NU and even exhaust sa ground at hallway. Minsan, hindi siya nakabukas. So, I think that's it for Opto Vlog. Love you!